Let's have a look at the next question then. We've advertised our event. And the next question asks us for searching for information 13 marks. There's a substantial amount of marks actually. You want to buy a new iron. Do an internet search to find an iron which meets the following requirements. So it needs to be a steam iron, corded, cost £30 or less. Take a screenshot including details of the iron and the web address and paste it into a document. Label the screenshot Iron 1. Find the same or very similar iron on a different reliable website to compare prices. Take a screenshot of the second website including the second iron and the web address. Now paste it into your document. Label it screenshot 2. Save your document in digital skills task force folder using the file name iron followed by your name. Upload it. And if we look at the next question, we get 5 marks as part of the 13 for state which iron you would buy, give 3 reasons, and then give 2 examples of things you would look for checking when the website is actually reliable. So let's go back and have a look at this now then, because this is worth 8 marks. We've got 4 marks for the first iron, 4 marks for the second iron. So I'm going to open up a new tab and then I'm going to search for steam iron, corded, £30 or less, and see what it comes up with. Now, it's come up with corded steam iron there. They may come up with pictures. It depends what you're going to do. I'm going to click on shopping. And on shopping now, when I'm on Google Shopping, it allows me to put in some different filters. So here I am. If I wanted to, maximum, pardon me, £30. Go. And now it will filter all the ones for £30. And now it doesn't matter. Remember, you're not buying this iron for yourself. You're doing it to demonstrate that you can actually search for something. So I'm just going to choose the first one, light and easy steam iron, £18. Here we go. I need to click on Argos. So I've gone to here. Now, if this is too big and I can't get it all in, I just need to go up to the 3 dots and I'm going to zoom in a little bit there. So there we go. So here we go. I've got the website where it's from, Argos. It's got a code on it. It's £30. It's under £30. That will do for my first iron. I need to take a screenshot now. So I'm going to take a screenshot. And it comes up there. Full screen. Open up Microsoft Word. Oh, let's close that down. And then we'll open it up again. So blank document. And I'm going to press Control and V. And it puts that iron in there. You'll see that my cursor is at the end of that iron. And I think because we're going to paste another picture into it, I'm just going to press Enter and bring that down. Then I need to label this as Iron 1. Let's just have a look there. I'll go back to my question. Yeah, screenshot Iron 1. Label the screenshot Iron 1. So I need to go back there. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to put Insert Caption. And I'm going to call it Iron 1. You can say figure or table or whatever, just figure. I'm going to click OK and it come up underneath as Iron 1. If I wanted to, I could just use my arrow buttons to go back and then delete figure 1 if I wanted to. If I wanted to, I can make that a little bit bigger. And I'll find italics and there we go. There. Now I need to get Iron 2. So it has to be similar within that price bracket. So I'm going to go back to, I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to go back here and go another one. Here we go. Let's have a look. Close that down. That's similar. Well, that's from Argos. That's from Amazon. It's about £18 similar. Let's have a look at that. I'll go to Amazon to get it. And here we are. Let's just There we go. That'll do. I think it's got all the details in. It's got a code. You can see that it's £18. I don't think I need to make that any smaller. So I'll just print my screen now. Print the screen now. And take a screenshot. Go back to my document. And because I've already moved my cursor down, if I just press V now, there we go. I'm happy with that. What might happen is if your picture's too big, it might have gone on to another page. So let's just see there. So we can see it's gone on to another page, which sometimes you don't want to do that. So just to make it smaller, all you need to do is go to the corner, or you need to select the picture first, go to the corner, left click, and then make it smaller that way. And you can see it's dragged it down. And now I'm going to select the picture, right click again, insert caption, called figure 1, I'm going to call it iron 2. Press enter, and it's underneath there. I'm going to make it the same format. I'm going to delete that there. See what I did up the top? Yeah, I made it a bit bigger and took it out of italics. A little bit bigger. Iron 2. That's size 11 font. That's size 11. Okay, so there we go. So now I've got my 2 irons under £30 and they've got a code. Cool. Am I happy with that? I am. Let me go back to my question. Take a screenshot. I've done that. Find the same or a very similar iron on a different reliable website. Well, both Argos and Amazon are reliable. Take a screenshot of the second website. Paste it in. Save your document, Digital Skills Task 4 folder, iron and your name. So it needs to be in the Task 4 folder, iron and your name. So here we go. I'm going to File, Save As, Browse, Nigel, Digital Skills, EDSQ, Digital Skills 1, Task 4, iron, and then Nigel. Okay, I'm going to click Save. And then that will have then saved it. So let's just have a look. Yep, so I've got that. Let me just have a look because I know next it's going to ask me why I want to buy it. So I'm just going to think to myself now, well, I know that Argos is, I can collect it in store at Argos. That's one. It's got over 1,000 reviews and it rates really good. Okay, it's an exclusive to Argos. And I like the colour. So you've just got to pick 3 reasons why. That's got good reviews as well. You know, so think about it. I could get it tomorrow. So think about it. I like the colour. It's got good reviews and I can pick it up from Argos, free delivery or anything like that. So then I choose File, go to Digital Skills, Task 4, my iron's there, and then it would upload. So once I've done that and I'm happy, I then go on to the second part of the question. So here we go, state which iron you would buy. Well, I would buy iron 1. Give 3 reasons. I'm not going to type them in. Well, 1 is I like the colour. 2 is I can pick it up from Argos because it might have been available. 3, it's got really good reviews and everything like that. So give 2 examples of things to look for when checking a website is reliable. Well, just to remind ourselves about fake websites, really, does the domain name look right? Is the spelling right? And is it the right length? Has it got loads of different symbols in and stuff like that that you're unsure of? Is there a padlock symbol in HTTPS before the address? Is the contact information genuine? You know, you could go to company's house and have a look. And does the website have any spelling or grammatical errors? Also, is the copyright information up to date? There's different things. We want to make sure it's HTTPS. And if you cannot remember to how HTTPS in Google Chrome, we just go to this area here and we have a look and it says the connection is secure. Okay. If I wanted to, so it's got the padlock. If I wanted to see if it's HTTPS, I just right click in the menu in the thing and it's always show full URLs and HTTPS comes up there. So that it's up to date, copyright information, there's no spelling or grammar errors or anything like that. So you would need to put in why, 2 reasons. So you're just putting it's HTTPS and it's got a padlock. They really are the same. So make sure you put in 2 distinct reasons. Right, I hope that was helpful. Reliable. And we have a look and it says the connection is secure. Okay. If I wanted to, so it's got the padlock. If I wanted to see if it's HTTPS, I just right click in the menu in the thing, and it's always show full URLs, and HTTPS comes up there. So that it's up to date, copyright information. There's no spelling or grammar errors or anything like that. So you would need to put in why 2 reasons. So you're just putting it's HTTPS and it's got a padlock. They really are the same. So make sure you put in 2 distinct reasons. Right, I hope that was helpful.